Hello students, this is your geography lesson. In this lesson we are going to read unit 5 mineral resources. Students, you know that we have discussed about the mining processes, metallic and non-metallic minerals and the mining industry in Pakistan. Today we are going to discuss about the problems of the mining industry. So we start our lesson. First of all, have a look about the importance of mining industry in Pakistan. Mining is an important industry in Pakistan. Pakistan has deposits of several minerals including coal, copper, gold, chromite, mineral salt, bauxite and several other minerals. There are also a variety of precious and semi-precious minerals that are also mined. So, the Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation is the responsible authority for the support and development of the mining industry. The Gemstones Corporation of Pakistan looks after the interests of stakeholders in gemstone mining and polishing as an official entity. Balochistan has the most mineral deposits among the provinces of Pakistan, with Sindh rich in coal deposits and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa rich in gems. Oil, gas and minerals used in nuclear energy purposes are mined by the federal government. Currently around 52 minerals are mined and processed in Pakistan. Now come to page number 89 and read about the problems of the mining industry. Here you can see there are 6 problems we are facing in Pakistan. And the problems are: number 1, lack of financial resource. Number 2, lack of technical experts. Number 3, inaccessible mineral deposits. Number 4, security of mining companies. Number 5, low priority given to mineral extraction. Number 6, institutional mismanagement. The presence of mineral deposits does not mean that a country is making use of all the mineral resources. There are certain problems associated with the mineral sector due to which the mineral deposits cannot be put into use for development purposes. A number of problems exist in the development of the mining sector. Now have a look over the problems one by one. Number 1, lack of financial resources. Pakistan does not have enough money to invest in the exploration of minerals. A number of institutions mentioned below are working for the development of the mining sector, but their efforts are not very successful due to lack of financial resources. So first problem we are facing now in Pakistan is lack of financial resources. As we know that Pakistan is a third world country. In the third world country, the country is progressing day by day. We are not properly developed and progressed. So we are facing lack of financial resources regarding to the mining industry. Number 2, lack of technical experts. Mining operations have gone through major technical changes in developed countries of the world. Mining requires high tech experts with in depth theoretical, theoretical and practical knowledge of geology, computerized mining operation, specialized mining machinery, etc. In Pakistan, very few technical institutions produce such professionals. As a result, we have to hire technical experts from other countries. In Pakistan, most of the mining activities are carried out in a traditional way that results in low production of minerals and health hazards to miners. So, another problem we are facing now is unskilled labor. We don't have skilled labor that may participate properly in the mining process. So, we don't have technical experts, we don't have technical institutions where the people can get training of such mining processes. Number 3, inaccessible mineral deposits. Most of the metallic and non-metallic minerals in Pakistan are found in those areas where transport links are poorly developed. For example, coal, copper, sulfur, natural gas, chromite are found in Balochistan. This province has poor infrastructure and low population density. Therefore, most of the minerals cannot be exploited due to their inaccessibility. Students, we know very well about the rugged area of Balochistan. It is not possible to build roads and tracks over there. So, mining process is difficult there. Number 4, security of mining companies. This issue has been created after 9/11 due to the increase in terrorist activities in Pakistan. Many of the foreign mining companies are reluctant to carry out their mining operations in Pakistan due to the possible terrorist attacks on their employees. So, we have security issues as well. If we hire companies or group of people uh, to serve there for the mining processes, for the extraction of minerals, they are reluctant to do work here because there are some terrorist attacks, there are fear of terrorism in Pakistan. So they are not willing to serve here easily. Number 5, low priority given to mineral excavation. Pakistan is primarily an agricultural country which has been historically developed to produce agricultural crops. Development of the mining sector requires A. Infrastructure development, transport, electricity, telephone lines, water supply, etc. B. High cost mining machinery. C. High tech knowledge. D. A large industrial market to exploit minerals. Exploit, utilize. E. Training of miners on modern lines. Students, another problem we are facing in this industry is that we know Pakistan is an agriculture country and the main focus or our administrators and our leaders is towards the agriculture sector. They introduce new techniques, they give relief to the farmers, to promote the growth of different crops in country. They ignore this sector. For the development of mining sector, we require different things, as infrastructure development should be there, but we don't have proper and developed infrastructures, as we don't have transport facilities. There is issue in electricity system. There in the remote areas there are no telephone lines, and there is shortage of water supply as well. Here we can say we don't have high cost mining machinery. We have to import heavy machinery from the other countries. We don't have high tech knowledge because the labor is unskilled and illiterate. Most of the population is uneducated. They don't have modern training, a large industrial market to utilize minerals. We have short and domestic industries. We don't have a large industrial market to utilize minerals, to get the benefit from those minerals. And similarly, we don't have training institutions where the labor can get education or training on modern lines. On the other hand, it is much easier to develop the agriculture sector, which has all the prerequisites for developments. Requisites mean requirements. Therefore, the mining sector is somewhat ignored by the higher authorities, as I have told you already. Number 6, institutional mismanagement. Like most of the departments in Pakistan, mineral offices are also victims of corruption and low standards of work. This has resulted in low productivity in the mining sector. For example, charcoal reserves were discovered in 1998, but up till now electricity generation has not been started due to conflicts and administrative problems. Students, there is uncertainty in political system in Pakistan. We don't have stable government that can operate the whole system of Pakistan properly. So, lack of administrative power, there is no proper system of management in the mineral sector. We are facing these problems. So this is your lesson for today. I hope you have understood the problems of the mining industry in Pakistan. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.